Welcome to practice. This is Jessica, and this sequence will be a very short and sweet one as a post-workout or at bedtime or just for self-care, to relax, to unwind. I have a pillow handy. It's not required, so if you don't have one available, take a blanket for instance. It's just to make it a little softer. We start in a child's pose, and to make it a bit softer I put the pillow over my heels, the knees are split apart, and then walk yourself forward. So you settle in between your inner thighs, rock a little bit from side to side, and then your choice whether you bring your forearms to support your head or whether the forehead is touching completely down onto your mat. Close your eyes down and take a couple breaths. Feel the inhalation on the expansion of your rib cage towards your inner thighs. And allow your hips to sink into your soft support upon your heels. Take another deep inhale. And then open the mouth to sigh it out. Re-blink your eyes open. Lift your head. Crawl onto fingertips and find length. Finding the spider fingers, extend your arms and send your shoulders away from your ears. The head is softly hanging in between your upper arms. Finding length by sending the hips even further away. And then walk yourself into a first side stretch. So you go over towards your right. The left palm is crawling out as far as it goes. And then take your right arm alongside your right pinky. Roll your left ear into your left upper arm. And release. Take a couple good breaths here. Feel the length on your left side. Send your left hip back onto your left heel. And then let the right palm join the left again. Walk yourself all the way over towards your second side. So the right palm is moving out as far as it goes. Crawl onto fingertips. Left palm alongside your legs. Roll your right ear into your right upper arm and feel this lengthening on your right. You may close your eyes down again and feel your breath. Send your right hip as far back as it goes. And then take the left palm out and forward again. Walk on both of your palms. Roll forward, take the pillow away. We will need it a little later. Bring the knees a bit closer together. Curl the toes under and send your hips back onto your heels. Couple movements throughout your spine. Take an in-breath, cat stretch is coming forward. And with the exhale, lower your hips towards your wrists. Find the length on the front line of your body. And then with the exhale, it's an arch within a cow position within your spine, and you let yourself sink back. Inhale, roll and round forward. Navel in, chin is tucked towards your throat. And then again, sending your hips towards your wrists. Elbows are having a tiny bit of a bend. And Allow your hips to glide back. One more like this. Inhale, roll forward. Lower your hips down. Feel this lengthening sensation on your front. And then with the exhale, once again, moving back. Lower your forearms down. Glide a little bit further out and move forward into a Sphinx. The elbows are just below the shoulders. And once again, we are lengthening the front line of the body from the pubic bone all the way up towards your chin, towards your throat. You may stay here, or you may lift a little higher, extend your arms, keep a gentle bend within your elbows, and rise a bit higher. Feel a long in-breath and a complete exhale. And then come back down onto your elbows into Sphinx. And we're going to move into a half frog. And I like to use my pillow on my right in line with my hip. And then I lift my right inner knee onto the pillow. I have a 90-degree angle in my hip as well as in my knee. Walking the left one slightly out, so the right arm, the right shoulder crawl under. And then you may send your right temple down onto the mat. You may keep the left arm extended. Release within your right upper arm. And take a deep in-breath. You may keep your eyes closed while breathing deep into the stretch. Walk the left palm back, closer towards your heart, and lift and rise back up into Sphinx. We move into a deeper twist towards the opposite side. So the right arm is moving forward, the left one is crawling under, and now I need the help of the left toes to scoop the body all the way over onto my left outer hip, left outer shoulder. The left palm is moving towards the right thigh. And the left arm is rolling all the way over. Maybe you have to wiggle within your shoulders a little to find the perfect space for your shoulders, so both shoulders are touching down. And the long leg, the left one is extended and the foot is flexed. You will feel more of this big opening, this big stretch. The ringing sensation within your belly organs. Take one more cleansing breath here, deep in-breath. And stay for the complete exhale. And then roll all the way onto your back. Get the right foot into your left palm and lower the knee completely down. Bend your left knee and get hold of your left shin with your right. Find out how this feels. Whether you feel a big stretch in your right inner thigh. Maybe on the lowest part of your spine. One more deep breath here. Stay for the exhale. And then we change the grip on this left leg and move onto your right outer hip to extend this left one over to twist again. You may keep the foot extended. You may use the help of your pillow to elevate the floor a little, or you may get hold of the foot. Feel the stretch Feel the engagement of your IT band here, the release. And take a couple of relaxed and complete breaths. Rebend the left leg. Straighten both of your legs and come all the way back over your left shoulder. Back into swings, back where we started. You may use your pillow on the other side for this half frog. Bend the left knee, 90 degrees for hip and knee. You are on your elbows, and then you are walking the right palm slightly out, so to get the left one underneath. Roll onto your left upper arm, left shoulder, and find out whether you can let your left ear sink down into your mouth, your left temple. Feel the difference between your two sides. Come back to center. We move towards the opposite side, so the left arm is extended and you're gonna crawl your right one underneath. And now with the help of your right toes, you scoop your whole body over towards your right outer hip, right outer shoulder. Get hold of this left leg. Scoop your shoulder slightly underneath and then roll all the way over. Wiggle your shoulders as much as you have to be able to send both of your shoulders down into the earth. Keep the long leg extended, kind of a driving effort for this stretch and this twist. Feel again this ringing sensation within your belly, around your navel. You may close your eyes for a couple of complete breaths. Allow yourself to soften. And then roll all the way over onto your back. Take your right hand onto your left foot. Release the left knee down onto the mat. Get hold of your right shin bone. Find out how this feels on this side. This opening sensation in your left inner groin, left inner thigh. Your right hip, this contraction. And then roll all the way over. Find another twist here. So scoop your butt slightly over to your right, landing on your left outer hip. Extend or keep this upper leg bent, whatever you are choosing. You may just take the pillow over to elevate the foot a little or the calf and find out how this feels. The length on your sideline, the length for your IT band, if you extend the leg. And maybe once again this ringing sensation around your navel. Soften again by complete breath. Rebend the right knee, come back to center. Pop your pelvis, your spine into your center. Bend both of your knees and give yourself a hug. Draw your nose into your knees. Maybe having a loving squeeze for yourself. Change the grip, get hold of your thighs from behind, rock forward and back just a couple of times over the long length of your spine. Before you come back into an upright seat, use the pillow if this has helped you to sit a little bit more elevated. Close your eyes here. Bring both palms onto your knees, extend your spine. And feel the difference in your sensations after this short period of relaxation, of stretching, of unwinding. Bring your palms towards heart center and bend over fingertips to give thanks for yourself, for showing up, for doing something just for yourself as a self-care. Namaste. Lift your heart back up, reopen your eyes. And I hope very much you enjoyed it. You may like the video and share it. Thank you so much for being here.